Have you ever pondered on the idea of stepping into the crypto universe? Well, the perfect opportunity has arrived, and it's called the New Paradigm Crypto Airdrop. To join this crypto airdrop, a few simple steps are all that stand between you and the world of digital currencies. First, download the New Paradigm application from your App Store. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. Once you've installed the application, create your account. Use your email address and create a strong password to ensure your account's security. Now get ready to dive into the exciting part. Locate the Airdrops section within the app. Here you'll find the New Paradigm Airdrop. Click on it. An invite code field will appear. Enter our exclusive invite code, CryptoNow. This code will unlock your access to the airdrop. After entering the code, click on Join Airdrop. And voila, you've just joined the New Paradigm Crypto Airdrop. It's that simple. But what does joining this airdrop mean for you? It means you're now part of a larger community, a community that's at the forefront of the financial revolution. You're now eligible to receive free tokens from the New Paradigm. These tokens can be traded, sold, or held for potential future gains. Joining an airdrop like the New Paradigm is an excellent way to dip your toes into the crypto waters without the risks associated with buying cryptocurrencies outright. It's a chance to learn, grow, and potentially profit in the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. So in summary, joining the New Paradigm airdrop involves downloading the app, creating an account, locating the airdrop, and entering our invite code. The benefits? You become part of a revolutionary financial community and stand a chance to gain from potential future growth. The world of crypto is waiting for you. Embrace the future and join the New Paradigm Airdrop today. It's an opportunity too good to miss.